Greetings, children. Now we are continuing our chapter number 12, The Age of Machines. Today we will discuss about food for machines. We get energy from the food we eat. Similarly, machines get energy from coal, petroleum, and electricity. Nuclear energy, solar energy, biogas, and wind energy are alternative sources of energy. And coal was the first to be used as a fuel in machines. Now let's discuss about coal. Coal was the first fuel to be used in machines on a large scale. So mines were dug to take out the coal. As the demand for coal went on increasing, man kept on digging deeper and deeper. Some coal mines are 3 to 4 kilometer deep. People soon realized that coal would not last forever as the coal deposits in the mines were limited. So man started searching for other sources of energy. You can see in the picture the man is holding coal in his hand, and another picture it is a coal mine. Now children, let's discuss about petroleum. Petroleum is another source of energy found deep under the surface of the earth. It was discovered accidentally in America in 1857. Petroleum is drilled and refined to get diesel, kerosene oil, and petrol. Daimler, a German scientist, invented an engine which ran on petrol. It was then developed to be used in motor cars. The second picture is of Daimler and his engine which ran on petrol. Now, after that, another German engineer whose name was Rudolf Diesel invented an engine which ran on diesel. Heavy trucks, railway engines, pump sets, etc. run on diesel. You can see in the third picture the person Rudolf Diesel and his engine which ran on diesel. Next source of energy is electricity. Electricity is also a form of energy. It is used to run machines. Today, we use electricity for both domestic and commercial purposes. Now, children, how was electricity discovered? The discovery of electricity is an interesting story. A man in Netherlands developed a toy called Leyden jar. The toy had two wires, one in the glass and the other outside it. You can see it in the first picture. The first picture is of the Leyden jar. On joining the two wires, some spark were produced. Sometimes it also produced a mild shock. This set of American scientists, Benjamin Franklin, thinking. He also observed lighting in the sky and tried an experiment to find out if there was any similarity between the two. He prepared a paper kite. You can see this in picture number 2. When there was thunder and lightning in the sky, he flew his kite high into the sky. He had attached a piece of wire to his kite and the piece of metal at the another end of the thread. The moment there was a flash of lightning, he touched the metal piece and felt a shock. This confirmed that the spark in the Leyden jar and the lightning in the sky were similar. In 1800, an Italian scientist, Alessandro Volta, discovered that a continuous flow of electricity can be maintained through a battery. Later, generators were made to produce electricity. Coal, diesel, petrol, etc. are used to run a generator. Today, we use electricity for domestic and commercial purposes. Alternative sources of energy. We have limited sources of fuel on the earth. Fuels also cause pollution when burnt. Scientists are developing other resources of energy where these problems not arise. These energies are called renewable sources of energy. Now, they are hydroelectricity, nuclear energy, solar energy, biogas, and wind energy. Hydroelectricity. The energy generated from moving water is called hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity does not cause any pollution. Huge dams are built on rivers. The water thus stored falls forcefully from a great height and is used to produce electricity. Dams are also known as hydroelectric projects. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is also called atomic energy and it is produced by splitting of atoms. Electricity comes from the nuclear power plant. The picture of nuclear power plant is on the left side. You can see it. This is nuclear power plant. Solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. The solar energy is used in solar cookers, solar heaters, etc. Biogas. In villages, people use cow dungs to generate energy. Gobar gas plants are becoming popular in villages to generate energy for lighting, cooking, and other purposes. Last but not the least is wind energy. In a windmill, the power of the wind is used as a source of energy. Netherlands is famous for its windmills. In India also, windmills have been set up in coastal areas. Last but not the least is wind energy. In a windmill, the power of the wind is used as a source of energy. Netherlands is famous for its windmills. In India also, windmills have been set up in coastal areas. Now, we have discussed about different sources of energies and alternative sources of energies. These alternative sources of energies will never get exhausted. They are also better than sources of energies because they do not pollute the atmosphere. So, with this explanation, children, our topic for today, that is food for machines, is over. Thank you.